Race number 12. Stand by now for a dispatch. And they're on their way. Runner number 7, Royal Milestone, draws for your lead. American Ruler, Diamond Lester, moving up by the rail. Kim Passable down in fourth, make no mistake. Lady Liam is running by the rail, and Pilio Isle trailing the group. Red Hot Water heading towards the half-mile pole. Diamond Lester with a commanding break of 2 over Kim Passable now in second. Then running on the outside, the Royal Milestone. Lady Liam is racing in fourth. American Ruler as they rounded the 600. Diamond Lester being chased by Royal Milestone, Kim Passable. Lady Liam still in fourth as they race for home. Kim Passable takes command from the outside, Diamond Lester. Then on the outside, Royal Milestone. Lady Liam moving up on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Kim Passable, Diamond Lester, Lady Liam moving up now to take second. It's Kim Passable, Lady Liam in second, Diamond Lester with 75 meters to race. It's Kim Passable. Second, Red Hot Water, Lady Liam, then comes Pilio and Diamond Lester.